mascot costume made of cardboard, just like the professionals. How good does that look? And yes, I have made this to destroy my family at the biannual Christmas talent show. In my 57 years on this earth, I have never won the biannual family Christmas talent show. But this is my year, I can feel it. Which is why I'll be performing the Mouse King dance from the Nutcracker. I've been taking dancing lessons all year. All I needed was a lightweight, sturdy mascot head, and I have got it. And what you will need is tape, knife, cardboard. First we need to make the headband bit that goes around and a little cap to keep it on, and then everything will be attached from there. So headband, that ain't going anywhere. Time to test. Locked in. And that is the base. Now everything is going to be connected to this. So what we do now, find your driest, biggest, cleanest bit of cardboard, trace around the headband, and then draw a big circle around the whole thing. That's going to be the size of your mascot head. And then cut it out, obviously. Make sure it fits. And stick it together. And now we have the base sombrero thing. Let's try. Okay, let's take the hair out. Oh, I could use this. Oh, cool. I look like an angel right now. I am St.Claire. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Okay, now let's do the domey bits and around here. For the upper domey thingy bit, I traced around the big circle, then I made 2 half circles and 3/4 circles. I cut out some slits so they would stick together, and then I lost my bits. Where's the bits? Bits, where's your bits? Here's a bit. Found it, found it, found it. I also think I need like a second dome under here to keep these rigid, because look at that. Well, hold the hair, beautiful hair. Well, and then let's put this on properly. They wiggle. And then very quickly I added some supports for the lower bits. How good? Let's say I think that's in the way, because I won't be wearing this when I'm doing ballet. Oops, not yet. Sneaky little peek though. And now for the nosy bit, we just twist up some cardboard. My hair's stuck. Whoa, caught it, caught it, caught it, saved it. That was scary. And that is how you fully do a full cardboard mascot head. Yes, there are some holes in the back, but we are going to cover the whole thing in fur. And this is light. How light is that? Wow! First time putting it on, very excited. Here. Well, first time once it's being 100% completed. I have been putting it on like every step of the way. I'm very excited. Very excited. I don't think I've been too accurate with my sellotaping. I've left a lot of sticky sides facing the old noggin. And it has caught a couple of different chunks of hair. So, okay. Let's go again. It is now gone caught more now that I put it back on. Okay, I'm just going to do this. 3, 2, 1, big rip off. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Don't pull my hair out! Yes. Yes, I accidentally booked a haircut halfway through this project, so I now have short hair. This is what it looks like when I'm all sweaty. With the gag's over, we can get rid of this. So yeah, this is what I look like now. I feel lighter. Let me know what you think. Actually, don't. The internet's a cruel place. Lie to me and tell me you like it. Now I need to make a pattern. Cover the whole thing in cling wrap and then cover that in tape. And there we go. Lesson learnt. I would do the tape a different colour because in some places I can't tell where it's tape and where it is just cling wrap. Now we draw lines over the whole thing, remembering that this is going to be where you cut the pattern. And now we just cut it all off. This isn't going to go flat, so we're going to have to make some adjustments. Cut, cut, cut. And then I made a little extra space to transfer the pattern to the fabric. Pin it down, draw around it, transfer the joining markings, leave about 1 centimetre for the hem. Also, make sure the fur is going in the correct direction. You do not want a mascot with a comb over. Please excuse my little gorilla hands. And then this is what we have, 5 bits. 1, 2, yeah, you can trust me. And now we sew. That colour. Stab myself. Don't put pins in your mouth. And we are done. Here we go. This here is inside out. There's a hole in the back to get it over, and then we'll hot glue. Let's hot glue. We'll hot glue it together. And that 30 seconds for you was about 2.5 hours for me. It was complicated. Here's the mask, and yes, I spray painted the nose white because the black would have come through. Let's see if it fits. It did fit, and I did this to celebrate. Time to glue it together, add some cheeky whiskers, jam in the nose, and make some sexy ears. Yours don't have to be sexy, but mine are. Now just pop some eyes on. And now for the test. Motion test. Can't have anything fall off mid-performance. Here we go. And spin, and spin, and spin, and spin. Locked in. Ooh, upside down. Maybe I'll do a flip. Locked in. Oh, now, one more thing. Little eye peepers. And there we go! I've done it! Light! Ooh, so light! Wow! Compose myself. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Mouse King dance from the Nutcracker. thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, you're amazing, you're creative, you can do this weird things too, or not if you don't want to. I understand if you don't want to do this also, but thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you, and so many other people do. Thank you so much.